Guns down, hands up.
ZAN, 6 foot, 180. First and foremost, I like to say those who trust in the Lord, happy they are. And I like to give a shout out to DJ at Landslide Transport for getting me here for all your carrier needs, all nationwide. Hit them up, hit them up.
Kill Switch, 6'3", 180. Let's go. Shout out to my boy, Kid with a golden fist. Couldn't make it today. We got to get it.
All right, Street Beef, we got a boxing match. First, go ahead and subscribe to Scarface Street Stories. Got that right this time. And don't forget to subscribe to Street Beef GoPro, alternate angles of every fight. And this corner right here, we got ZAN, 1-0 in boxing. And we got Kill Switch right here, 0-1 in boxing. All right, fighters, come to the center real quick. We went over the rules. Got any questions?
Yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen, back to your corner. Back to your corner. Mouthpiece, sir. Mouthpiece. Let's go. Put that jab out. There you go. Yeah, put that jab. Work up that jab. Nice head movement. There you go. Woo! Stay tight. Fireworks. Yeah. Yep. Keep that body up. It's there. Yep. Keep working off that jab. There you go. Yeah. It'll work. Keep your hands up. Come on, Kill Switch. Keep them hands up.
When you land punches, step to the side. Stop going straight back. Step to the side as you land punches.
Alright.
Hands up.
Hands on your back.
Keep them hands up. Cover up when he does that. Big work the body. Work the body.
There you go. He's on the corner.
Head down like that. Work that body.
Trap him in. Trap him in. The kidneys are there.
Oh! Keep ducking right into it. Hey! Put your hands
There you
up.
go.
Back him up. Back him up.
Keep them hands up. There you go. There you go. Go down. Breathe in between your punches. You're going to get gassed. Yes, sir.
Cheeseburgers, Triple K, get on deck.
Yep. Stay on it. Stay on it. Hey, cut that angle. When you get him the other stage, cut that angle. 30 seconds, fighters. 30 seconds. Work out. Work out.
Let's do that. Hands up. Got about 20 seconds, push in it.
Longer in his, Kill Switch, you're longer in his. You jab on each before it's his blood.
Turning your back.
Hey, breathe. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stop. Good control, baby. All right, fighter ready. Fighter ready. Let's go. Go, ZAN. There you go. Stay on it. Breathe, ZAN, breathe. Take the shot. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
Set it up.
Body shot. Body shot. Body shot.
Calm it down, and set it up.
Get out there.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up, man.
Good fight.
Oh, there you go.
Keep the jab out. Throw it.
There you go.
Jab, right. Jab, right.
Right back.
Fight, guys.
Don't forget the guard.
Break it up. Bring a fight. Let's go.
Put your guards up. Put your guards up. Keep your guards up.
Yeah.
Bro, that was too.
Keep going.
That was too far down. Quick shot. Pop, pop.
There you go.
Pop, pop.
Body shot.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Oh, fuck.
Hey, opponent popped his shoulder and able to continue. Winner.
I have respect to him. Key to Life Fitness, KEYTOOLYFE. Getting it in.
We solve it in the yard and we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it to work.